Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two coprimes. As a product of two coprimes. As a product of two coprimes is given by 2 power p minus 1. First write, then I will give the proof. P is nothing but the total count of prime bases. P is nothing but the total count of prime bases. Please write down this. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two coprimes is given by 2 power p minus 1. Example. I will do today with example. If anybody wants a proof, I will discuss in detail in a number system high level workshop. Suppose see here, 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. We have to write it as a product of coprimes. Now this is 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4, 4 into 3, 6 into 2, 12 into 1. Now unordered we will do first. Unordered, if you see, 2 and 6 are not coprime. So how many we got? 1 and 2. How many prime bases we got? 2 prime bases we got. So 2 power 2 minus 1 is 2 power 1, which is nothing but 2 ways. Sir, how you got half of 2 power p? Can you please give the proof for it? Half of 2 power p. Listen carefully. 12 is 2 square into 3 power 1. Now listen carefully. Suppose if I write 1 here, the entire number I am writing here. I want you to listen carefully. If 1 is written in the left hand side, 2 square into 3 power 1 is written on the right hand side. If I take 2 power 1, this is becoming 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. These both are not coprimes because 2 is even. Here also it is even. Suppose if I take 2 square here, here I will take 3 power 1. 4 into 3. That means if you observe these 12, either you take the lowest power of 2 power 0 or you take highest power of 3 power 0. Only 2 cases. Either the lowest you take this side, either the lowest or the highest. Every prime base either take the lowest or take the highest. Take the lowest or take the highest. That is the reason I got 2 power p. Why 2 power p we got? So you cannot take in between. Either you take the lowest or you take the highest. Either you take the lowest or the highest. So here 2 cases. Here 2 cases. Here 2 cases. But reverse is not allowed in unordered. So half of 2 power p. Why 2 power p we got? Either p1 power 0 we can take or p1 power k we can take. In how many ways? In how many ways 100 can be written? In how many ways 100 can be written? In how many ways 100 can be written as a product of 2 coprimes? In how many ways 100 can be written as a product of 2 coprimes? So first 100 is 2 square into 5 square. How many prime bases are there? 2 prime bases are there. So it is 2 power 1, 2 minus 1, 2 power 1. Answer is 2. This is for you, Ritesh. You asked this doubt. In how many ways 100 can be written as a product of two coprimes? First, write the number as a power of prime bases. 2 square into 5 square. It is 2 power. Number of prime bases are 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 power 1. Gaurav, just check it out where you went wrong. 2 power 1 is 2. Second question. Please write down, sir. Second one. In how many ways 360 can be written? In how many ways 360 can be written as a product of two coprimes? In how many ways 360 can be written as a product of two coprimes? 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. 2 power. Totally how many prime bases are there? 3. 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 square. 2 square answer is 4.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.